Hey, Rembo here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you some insight as to what happened with me, and I'm going to show you a video from when I started doing the review of the Triumph Scrambler 400X. And if you look at it really close, and I've went frame by frame, I use typically 2 fingers for the brakes. I normally don't use a brake around in that corner. I see where I put 2 fingers up, and I'm very light on the brakes. I'm always very light on the brakes. Sometimes I only use my middle finger for the brake. But if you take a good look at this video, I think you'll see that with a brand new bike, with brand new tires that are absolutely not scrubbed in, and just a little bit of brake on this bike, folded that front end. I think there was a little bit of gravel and oil and stuff there too that contributed, but just a little bit of brake pressure, I'm gonna guess, just folded that bike and put me down, and that's what gave me the 5 broken ribs, collapsed lung, and my scapula broken in half because I didn't have an air vest. That's gonna change. So talk about it, see if you can figure it out yourself, see where I probably made the mistake, and let's discuss it below, and let's all learn from what more than likely is my mistake. All right, let's take a watch.
It is time to take this bike for a spin. God, I love to look at this Scrambler. I mean, I was really liked the Ducati, the Night Shift, but I'm kind of really loving the look of this 400. I mean, look at this. It comes with a little bit of a crossbar protection here, comes with protection here for your hands. What the hell do we call these? Man, I'm losing my brain. Anyway, look at that display. Pretty nice. Hand guards. That took long enough to remember that, huh? Single cylinder, 398 cc's. Oh yeah. And it feels pretty good. Now, compared to the speed, you immediately notice that you are riding higher up. So if you are a taller rider, this might be the better option for you, because the other one, for the Speed 400, it felt good. I'm 5'11", whatever that works out to in centimeters. And I'm very comfortable, 32-inch inseam. So we'll talk about that when we come to a stop up here, and we'll go over that. But right now it feels comfortable. It's not as nimble as the Speed 400 because it's a bit of a slightly bigger bike, but it is certainly nimble and nice enough. Beautiful. Look at